Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Guff crab cakes. So we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of yellowed mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This is 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. And this is 1 tablespoon parsley flakes. Stir that a little bit. Juice of half a lemon. And 1 egg beaten. Isn't that the littlest whisk you've ever seen? It's tiny. 1 egg. I've got 2 pounds of crab meat over here in this bowl. And kind of spread it out some. You don't want to mix it too much and, break it up. I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of saltine crackers that I've crushed. I've got my saltine crackers in here. I'm going to pour my other ingredients over it. I'm going to gently fold it all in, because you don't want to break up the meat. You want good chunks. I've mixed it all together and it seems to be a tad bit wet, so I'm going to add 4 more tablespoons. I'm making a mess. I make it a lot because I'm going to freeze some so my husband can have crab cakes whenever he wants, which will be probably all the time. And we'll fold it gently. I'm going to start making patties, and I'm going to put them on a cookie sheet, and we're going to put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Just spoon them out, make a ball out of them. I've got them all patted out. I'm going to stick them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then we're going to fry them. I've just taken the crab cakes out of the refrigerator, which has been in there for about 30 minutes or so, and we're fixing to brown them. I've got about maybe 2 tablespoons of oil in my pan that's getting ready, getting hot, and I want to put my crab cakes in there. We're going to nicely brown them on both sides, and then we're going to put them in the oven. I got my oven turned to 350, and I'm going to put the crab cakes in there for about 10 minutes and let them finish cooking. They're good to freeze. If you get craving for a crab cake, you just take it out of the freezer, let it unthaw a little bit, and fry it up. I've got the crab cakes nice and brown, and we're going to stick them in the oven for 10 minutes and then flip them. I just took the crab cakes out of the oven and they look great. I added more breadcrumbs. It all depends on, how moist they are. I added plain breadcrumbs, but you can just put more saltine crackers in there or whatever you want. This is what they look like. My husband's going to enjoy them immensely. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite seafood is. Mine is chicken. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel.